Trimmer, set neutral.
Yeah.
Barrel nut, finger tight.
Yeah.
Mixture, rich. Magnetos on both. Master switch on.
Yeah.
Pilot heater as required.
Golf Uniform Echo Tower, Roger, fire the grass to the tower.
Primer locked.
Yep.
Fuel on both and sufficient.
Yep.
Flaps as required.
One stage, yeah.
Instruments checked and set. Gyros, altimeter, engine, and P.
Yep.
Hatches, doors and windows secure.
Yep. Your door's shut, windows shut. Yep.
Carburetor heat check cold.
Hold, yeah.
Controls full and free movement.
Yeah. Golf India Mike is Golf 1 ready for departure.
Golf India Mike Tower, Roger, departure via the motorway junction, line up runway 08 right.
Line up runway 08 right and departure via the junction. Golf India Mike. Okay, so you just check final approach. Nothing's coming, all clear. The short field takeoff, so it's one stage of flaps. And what we'll do, we'll put full power, hold with brakes.
Golf India Mike Tower, runway 08 right, cleared for takeoff, surface wind is 150, less than 5.
Clear for takeoff, Golf India Mike. So, hold the control column, hold it lightly, yeah? Full power, hold in with brakes, RPM's up. T's and P's in the green, just check that. Look out, keep the runway, keep it in the middle. With the pedals. Airspeed's alive, this one's rising. Looking for 65 knots. Okay, just keeping it in the middle, keeping your hand on the power. Coming up to 60. 60, lift up. Not much pressure, yeah?
Wow. Looking
for the airspeed. Looking for about 70 knots. So we just trim it for 70. Climbs out at 70. Keeping it straight on the center line. 70. When we get to 500 feet, we take off the stage of flaps. Okay, 500 feet, flaps up. Full power still. Trim for about 70. I'm out at 70, that's fine. Just take the left hand to the motorway. There's this one farm we're not.
Golf Bravo November Sierra Road.
There's a one farm we're not allowed to pass. They get annoyed.
Hotel 1025, request taxi local east 1 on board.
Noise.
Yeah, noise.
That's Romeo Tower, Roger, via the grass hole Golf 108 right, QNH 1026, squawk 3767.
Golf India Mike is past the junction. Could we have the frequency to farm west?
Golf India Mike Tower, Roger, traffic before you goes an inbound CT light aircraft routing towards Buckland from the west. Squawk 7000 and free call Farnborough West 125.125. Sorry, 125.25.
Looking out for the traffic, 47,000 and we'll call Farnborough West on 125.25. Golf India Mike.